Hello everyone. For many businesses, design a warehouse can be a daunting task. Inefficient layouts, poor inventory management, and insufficient space utilization can lead to lost time, increased costs, and ultimately, frustration. Introducing our warehouse design and consultant services, your partner in creating a streamlined, efficient workspace tailored to your unique needs. Our team of experts focuses on analyzing every aspect of your warehouse, from layout and storage solutions to inventory systems and workflow processes. We understand that every inch of space matters, and we are here to help you make the most of what you have. Imagine a warehouse where products flow seamlessly, staff work efficiently, and you have complete visibility of your inventory at all times. Our customized solutions not only enhance productivity but also reduce operational costs, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, growing your business. To know more details, contact us today to get free consultation or visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.